How to get best Samsung discount promo codes. Now, in this video, I'm going to provide you additional resources where you can find and use a working discount promo codes on Samsung. So, the very first thing that you want to have to do is to choose on that specific product that you would like to purchase, and I'm going to help you stretch down the actual price. Open up your preferred web browser and then go into the site that's going to be couponfollow.com. Now locate this box here that says search for a store and type in Samsung, and this is actually available worldwide. Click that, and then you will be seeing a lot of options like 10% or for promo codes of 10% off your order or off selected purchases. Click this option that says show coupon code, copy the unique code, and paste it into your order tab on Samsung. And that's how you find the best Samsung discount promo codes.